Hi. Have you ever wondered and asked yourself, how hard is it to make money on YouTube? However, before you push record, make sure you know all of the facts. Making money on YouTube is the simplest way of making money online and needs no investment. Let's simplify things a bit. Today, YouTube is the single biggest disruptor of video media on Earth. From independent small films to news media and entirely new genres of programming. There is a lot of us want to get our hands on some of these views and money that can be found on YouTube. I'm here to explain exactly how the whole thing works, from how they get paid, and how much they get paid, to how you can get paid to do this. What are you waiting for, to make thousands of dollars monthly? Visit us now, link in description.